In the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, OpenAI has once again pushed the boundaries of what's possible. OpenAI CEO, Sam Altman, recently unveiled their latest creation, Sora. Sora is an AI model capable of generating breathtakingly realistic videos from simple text prompts. From cooking tutorials to fantastical adventures, Sora brings imagination to life like never before. But Sora's capabilities aren't available to everyone just yet. OpenAI is taking a cautious approach, granting access to red teamers and select creative professionals to assess potential risks and provide feedback. The response from users has been overwhelmingly positive, with many praising the realism and creativity of Sora's creations. Sora's arrival marks a turning point in AI-generated content, surpassing previous models in quality and realism. However, concerns have been raised about the potential misuse of AI-generated content. OpenAI is taking steps to address these concerns, including building classifiers to detect Sora-generated videos and implementing metadata for provenance verification. OpenAI follows an iterative deployment approach, releasing AI models gradually to allow society to adjust to the new technology. This ensures that safety remains a top priority. As AI continues to evolve, OpenAI remains at the forefront, unlocking new possibilities and shaping the future of technology. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.